So how much of this wine do you need to use?
Only 1/4 of a cup, so
can I have a
we will
glass
stay hydrated. Yes.
Yeah! Woo!
G'day and welcome to Choo Bloody Roo. In today's video, Quinn is going to cook a wild mushroom risotto from Porcini mushrooms that we foraged ourselves. Oh yeah. First, Quinn cuts up some garlic and a shallot, then slices the mushies.
Oh, these might be the last Porcinis of the season, darling. What do you reckon?
Oh, Lord above. Now that's a porcini. Should we chuck a pine into it as well?
Yeah. Do you want to do this wood fluid as well, or just the Porcini and the pine?
No. Just porcini and pine.
Then they fry off the garlic and the shallots, some fresh thyme and some delicious butter, then cracked a little bit of black pepper in there. Once stirred through, add the mushrooms and cook till soft, and then add 1 cup of Arborio. How do you say this rice? Then add 1 cup of Arborio or risotto rice. Coat the rice in the butter mix and add 1/4 cup of white wine. Stir until absorbed. Then you're going to want to add some stock. The total amount of stock is usually 2 to 3 cups. What do you mean by the total amount of stock is usually 2 to 3 cups?
Well, depending on, every risotto is different, so...
Now you're going to want to add some stock. So total amount of stock is usually 2 to 3 cups, but it can depend on the risotto. So add it bit by bit, let it absorb into the rice, and you'll be bloody good to go, mate.
So, what, you gotta keep stirring or something? What's going on?
Yeah, you gotta stir. It takes like 20 minutes, you gotta just keep stirring.
20. Oh, that's too... Of constant stirring?
Yeah. So that all the stock absorbs into the rice.
Risotto, no! Well, that's what this is for, I suppose. Cheers, my love.
The grains of rice should hold their integrity, not too soft yet not too hard. Now you can add whatever roasted vegetables or vegetables you want. We're adding roasted pumpkin. I mean, it is a bloody pumpkin and mushroom risotto after all. Now Quinn grates some delicious Parmesan cheese into the mix. You can use whatever cheese you so desire. Melt it all through the risotto, then take it off the heat and stir through 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Serve with an extra topping of cheese, fresh herbs, and cracked black pepper. And that, my friends, is how you make a wild mushroom risotto. Oh, bloody Nora.
Really nice fresh ingredients. That freshly grated Parmesan as well. Porcinis are so good, fresh porcinis. Thank you so much for watching, guys. The porcini really makes this risotto. If you want to know how to find them, have a look at our foraging playlist on Choo.
I really want to eat that now. So, I was just about to do the most epic fucking guitar solo, and then I just broke 2 strings. I have no more guitars, babe. What do I do?
You got my guitar.
Yeah, your guitar. Okay, I'll give it a go. Fucking hell.